Let's go set a couple trot lines out this morning. Putting this line across the mouth of this creek here. Anyway, we're coming back out of the creek now. We're gonna find a spot to tie the second trot line off to. I'm gonna set this one along this bluff line here. Right along this channel. There's the creek coming out real tight to this channel here. I'll put this one in the creek. Tie it off on one end. We're going to put a weight on the other end and sink this one. This is a pretty long line here. Keep going. All right, hold it. Yep. These window weights are perfect for this. Get it. It's pretty tight. Just let her go. All right. One here. The other one's over there in that creek. Outline number 3. We're on the main lakeside now. Cove is just the other side of that little peninsula. We're gonna try it out here, see what happens. There's some good bait right there. Chunk these dudes up.
Oh, wait, where is the next one?
See that little white tree? Where? That little tree right there.
It is 4th of July. Fireworks and trot lines. Here we go. Here, let's put this on.
Got here at the same time as the fireworks.
They kick off like a huge firecracker.
There you go. Turn it around. You're buckled in. Got a few folks fishing this morning. I see that paddle. Y'all think we're gonna have a fish on this one?
Yeah.
We're about to find out. 3 or 4 would be okay. All right, who wants to hand these hooks to Paul?
Me.
We're gonna take these hooks off as we go. Oh, I feel one. We got one down here. Feels like one. Here, Oliver.
You going?
Yep. You see the line moving down there?
Got the camera on.
Yeah. We feel one down here. Towards the end down here. I just saw a tail of something.
Whale tail.
Oh, it's pretty small, whatever it is.
Here, I'm gonna have it.
There you go.
Oh, we got one. We got one. We got one. We got one.
We got a little channel cat. See it, Owen?
We got one. That one. Oh. He has a white belly.
Yep. You know what that's called, a channel cat.
Channel cat. Whoa! Okay.
Oh!
I would get back here.
You want him, Oliver? Who wants him?
Me. It's a.
Look at there. That's a channel cat.
Oh, I want to hang him on the hook. I want to.
Hold him, grab the string. All right, look at me.
Look at Paul.
Good job.
All right. Take him back there to Paul. He'll take him off the hook. One little channel cat off of this one. Coming up on line number 2. Grab this line. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think there's something down there.
Something down there, boys. Big Mac Daddy.
Oh, God. Here, I get the paw. Yep, looks like a brother to the one we caught a while ago.
I'm over here and got it on.
Y'all see it?
Yeah.
A little bit bigger than the first one.
And it's like a brim. I mean, a bass. It's like a bass. And it looks like a bass to me.
Looks like a bass. That's another channel cat. He's
Can I
feisty.
hold him up?
Yep. There's something going on here. We got two hooks for some reason here together.
Dad, let's wait. We got something else.
Here, let me see what you got there, Oliver. Turn around here, Oliver.
Wait, Paul, can we keep that? Paul, can we keep that?
You think we need to keep it? You gotta clean it if you keep it.
We don't need to keep it.
Big channel cat.
Alright.
Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got another fish. This looks like a better one. Might need the net on this one.
Oh, it's a big daddy.
Big Daddy? Don't fall in, always.
Here, get down. We're going to bring him over to the side where Paul is so he can get the net.
Alright, you gotta net him.
Here, Owen, move.
Oliver, come right here.
Huh?
Right here, by this bucket, in front of this bucket.
Owen.
Hold on. We got to him yet. We got a couple hooks to take off before we get there.
Start recording.
Yeah, looks like a pretty good one down there.
Okay, get ready.
All right,
Start
Oliver,
recording.
it's recording. You ready?
It's catfish right there. Big daddy. Oh, it's on the way.
Yeah, he's all twisted up.
Keep on, Grandma. Oliver.
Scoop him up. All right.
It's even heavy. It's extra heavy because it has a weight on it.
Hold on. I got too many. All right.
Wait, can we keep that one? It's extra, it's
Boy.
extra heavy because it has a weight on it. Keep that one?
Not sure how that happened. That's a mess. Oh boy, look what else we got.
Other one?
Oh, we got something pretty interesting here.
This is the jackpot area. Wait, Dad, can we keep this fish?
Take that carry here. Take the net out. Here, we don't need the net anymore. Oh, hold on. There's a hook attached to it.
Dad, can we get the
Oh, and look right here. See what you see right here. What do you see right here? Don't fall in. What is that?
We caught a turtle! What? We caught a turtle!
A big old turtle.
Wait, did we? Big turtle. We got a turtle! Wait, can we keep it?
Yeah, we can keep it.
Yes! Yeah. I think it's
Man, got him right in the foot.
Is that a soft shell?
I believe it is. I don't know if I think he's dead.
yeah, me too. Wait! Ow! Get away from me, dirty fish. What the heck? Can you just stop?
A little cleanup.
Can you just stop fish? Can you just stop fish?
Well,
Stop it.
we gotta cut that one loose. He's all tangled up.
Ooh, we got a scrape right there.
Yeah.
Wait, let me see. Right there.
Want to hold him?
No, I'm good. No, I'm good. It's too dirty
All right.
for me.
Bye bye.
Me too. He dived in there.
Yep.
Yeah.